Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Happy Friday. A couple things. One, the camera is angled down so you cannot see the final product. And two, we hit 500 plus subscribers before the end of 2020. So, we're doing a giveaway. Now I'm going to give the winner an option. You have the option of $100 cash or $100 worth of Rev Automotive cleaning supplies. As a mystery box I'll put together myself. So if you're interested in playing or being part of the giveaway, stay tuned. I promise we do a giveaway. I really want to do it. You guys have brought this channel from basically 0 to 500 plus in less than a year. So if you are interested in playing the game or being part of the giveaway, you don't have to subscribe. I can't tell you that. What I will say is if you want to subscribe, feel free to. I'm announcing the winner at the end of January 2021. If you want to enter to win, all you have to do is comment below your Instagram handle and what you drive. That way you can lock that in place. And I will be choosing a comment at completely random. So random, I won't even know who I'm choosing. I'll have a computer do it for me. And then if you comment other things after that, those will go ahead and add to the chances of you winning the prize. I'll announce the winner at the end of January 2021, and I will go ahead and message you on Instagram. If you do not respond within 24 hours, I will be choosing a new winner. So make sure you're on top of your Instagram. Make sure your notifications are turned on for it. For this video, though, if you want to win the $100, make sure you go ahead and comment below your name, your Instagram handle, and what you drive. Any comments after that are just going to be added to the raffle. But thank you guys for being the best part of my channel. I'll see you guys around. Stay safe and have a great weekend. Deuces.